Drugi Jazza je službeno otvoren.
Can you tell us which band member dresses funniest?
I thought it was me.
After you,
After me, well, the drummer is always funniest in any way.
Slovenian guy.
Yeah, he's from Maribor. That's everything, you know.
Znači ja mislim otkud je to došlo, znam otkud je to došlo. Prošli probaj gdje smo svi bili bez majica, osim zapravo ja i Lase smo bili bez majica i smijeli smo se jedan drugome ono kako izgledamo, tako da mislim da je to to.
Nice audience, nice buildings, nice town. Maybe a little bit too hot for me. But we are working on a new CD with I mentioned on the concert Maynard Ferguson is a big trumpet star, and I've got a lot of music from him that I made a record, and now we're working on another album that's with unreleased music for him, written in the late 60s and the beginning of the 70s, pop tunes that they played but never recorded.
Ne, ja sam u Koprivnici drugi put, meni je tu, stvarno mi se sviđa jako lijepo, stage je super, meni odgovara da je stage velik i to sve i da bude ono na otvorenem, tako da sam jako zadovoljan s ovim festivalom i želim vam puno sreće sa time i da bude to 10 godina barem ili još više.
Ovaj sound, to je glas je predivan. Je li to kao kad staviš u saksofon taj demper?
Vibra ovdje u Koprivnici, ovdje gludilo, ekipa je vrh i nama je to pasalo da su svirali.
Osjećam se super, osjećam se prekrasno, predivno i volio bi zasvirati sljedeće godine. Volio bi da ovoga kad budete organizirali, da se sjetite i nas. Mi volimo svirati ovdje. Mislim da je organizacija fenomenalna, mislim da ste danas, ovog puta još se bolje iskazali i da ovo ide stvarno gore. U moje visine, jel? 1,99 m. Ne, ljudi, svaka čast.
Lijep mi je grad skroz i dobar je ambijent, baš smo se dobro osjetili svi.
Festival je super ove godine, moram reći da je vjerojatno u ovom dijelu Hrvatske najbolji festival.
Taki mali grad i da toliko ljudi dođe da sluša jazz i ostane na koncertu, to je stvarno za pokale, mislim da se digne, svaka čast, super. I vam da to radite, super.
It was perfect. I mean, really, all the organization team is so nice and they were always looking, do you need something, and whatever.
Da, ovo je super, tako, ja se nadam da će biti još veće. Ne samo 2 dana, nego 7 dana, ne?
I enjoyed a lot the reception of the audience. I think everyone here was eager to listen. They wanted to receive the music, and this is for me the most important thing. So I think it's for sure a good place to do music, to do jazz, and I think Fest Jazza, they should be happy. Everyone from Fest Jazza should be happy because they are doing a beautiful mission in Koprivnica.
I'm very happy to be here with a group of people that are amazing musicians from the Netherlands, and they're just a bunch of great people too. You know, it's just really nice to be here in this great atmosphere, surrounded by nature, nice people, good food. What do you want more? Marco has a lot of room in his compositions for me to do my thing, and what I really like about him, he encouraged me to do my thing better.
The very first thing I say to my musicians when they come to play with my music is, you are welcome if you find yourself on it. I want them to be themselves playing my music.
Everything, the weather, the square is beautiful, and they stuck around until the end and giving us a lot of nice positive feedback, so it was great.
It was great pleasure, great energy, and a very nice relaxed atmosphere in the audience, and I think everybody was here to enjoy music, and we did, so it was really a fun night, really nice.
The vibe is awesome. The people are real nice here, and like Marco also said, we were treated like kings for those days, and it's amazing how the people here are, and everybody was listening, and it's a real good audience, and it's awesome.
Would you like to visit us again?
Sure, we'll come back next year.
If you would describe this festival with a chord, which chord would it be? Or maybe some little sequence?
That's the best.
Okay, good. Enough until here. Good. So that's the way it's written. Can we all do that?
Iskreno, nije bi bilo ni na kraju pameti da ću u Koprivnici doživjeti jedan festival, slobodno mogu reći, svjetskog kalibra.
Jako se dobro osjećam sa njim i sa njegovom glazbom. I mi smo biti prvo počeli svirati u mom projektu, tako smo se u biti upoznali, glazbeno i kao prijatelji. I to u biti samo nastavilo, biti kroz njegovu glazbu, druženje, sviranje i u biti doživljavam to kao da je i moje nekako. Nije sad ja sviram njegovo, nego zajedno sviramo tu glazbu. To je neka platforma gdje se mi družimo.
Bilo je fenomenalno svirati kao i uvijek. Svirao sam prošle godine sa Bis Constellation projektom od Zvonimir Bajević. Ove godine sam svirao sa Zvezdan Ruži sekstetom. Svake godine ovo je super. Prošle godine je bila prva godina, ove godine druga, već se vidi napredak, stvarno sve najbolje, sve pet.
Nikad ne ide iz glave na papir, nego uvijek bude jako spontano kad se vježbam klavir pa se desi nekakva melodijica i onda tu krene neka igra. Volim pustiti da odleži pa promijeniti, pa doraditi, pa tako jednostavno. Ta igra traje, onda i nikom ne pokazam dok sve ne bude gotovo i tek kad je sve gotovo onda zovem dečke i raspišem i tako.
Super energija i super je bilo na bini isto i super mi je svirati s dečkima, tako da sve najbolje.
Such a great atmosphere here. People are so nice, like really into music, and such a great bands were playing here on tonight, and yes, such an inspiration being here. Yeah, such a big pleasure. Thank you for everything.
How do you feel when playing with your students?
Well, I like to play with young musicians, and he's one of the most talented drummers I know, and also Sergio Marco, his brother, on saxophone. Same thing. They're very dedicated musicians. They really want to learn also, and we have a nice relationship together. Yeah.
It's a great stage. It's open air, I love it. Those festivals, people outside, it's so great, really.
So you think jam sessions on the jazz festivals are a must?
Yes, for sure. There should be a jam session after all the concerts. That people meet, musicians talk, play together. It's like one of the most important communication we can make, playing with each other on the stage. So.
Nas sve sa festivala, publiku, osobito zanima kako nastaje jedna čuj skladba, kompozicija.
Znači prvo ja sviram nešto tum tum tum, onda se dečki nadovežu. Onda ja sviram pu pu pu, onda se dečki nadovežu. Ja odsviram Scooby-Dooby-Doo-Bap. I onda se dečki dovežu.
Koji dečki?
Evo, moram reći da je festival stvarno bio prekrasan. 2 prekrasna dana u Koprivnici. Baš nam je bio gušt doći tu i sve pohvale organizaciji. Stvarno, evo, napravili su odličan posao.
В следующем году на фестивале Jazza Koprivnica.
Os veo el año que viene en Jazza.
Zie jullie volgend jaar op Fest Jazza Koprivnica.
Fest Jazza, volgend jaar zijn we weer te gast. See you next year, Koprivnica.
Foi um prazer estar aqui e espero ver-vos no próximo ano a todos no Fest Jazza Koprivnica.
Fest Jazza Koprivnica, 我们明年见，拜拜。